everyone doing today? We are going to cover how to make the most out of Zap surveys. There's a ton of ways to earn money in this app, so what we're going to try and do is narrow down the best ways to optimize your earnings and optimize your time while you're using the app. So first thing, you want to make sure you're getting your easy money, getting that quick cash. So what you want to do is you want to jump into the daily section and you want to grab your 3 cents every single day. All you have to do is tap one of these buttons. You see where it says day 1, day 2, day 3. Tap that, you get 3 cents. You can see there I earned 3 cents just for logging in today. Now other than that, there's challenges for logging in every day. So 45 days in a row, you're going to get your extra 75 cents. With this being said, go and turn those daily notifications on. Make sure you're getting the money. Also make sure you're getting your daily ticket. With that, you can see it right there. We're going to tap that, get a ticket, and it's going to enter us into a sweepstakes. So right now there's 20 winners. They're going to get $7.50. So just like the daily earnings, it just takes a tap to do. And you're going to be entered in to win cash. So really awesome ways to earn money just by logging in every day and tapping those buttons. Now, let's go over other earnings. So this includes referrals, sharings, and location rewards. Refer, it's super easy. 15 cents every person you get to sign up. So what's the key here? The key is just to get more people to sign up. Send a text to 10 people, tell them your referral code, just click there, copy it, send it out. Give the app a 5-star review, put your referral code in there, and you're just going to consistently be making money by people who sign up and use that referral code. Now, other ways, just share the app on Facebook and Twitter and you get $1. You don't even have to get anyone to sign up. Just by simply sharing it, you're going to make money. $1 by doing that. So we've covered a lot right now, but I also want to jump into location rewards, something you're 100% going to want to turn on right away. The reason you want to turn these on right away is because you earn for not doing anything. You can just find yourself near a Walmart or a McDonald's and you earn 25 cents just for being there. You see a notification pop up on your phone, so you don't have to be in the app. Tap the notification and you get 25 cents. So you just consistently do that and it racks up like crazy. Now, let's jump into the surveys. We've covered a ton so far, and we haven't even touched the surveys yet. So all this just sets us up to make consistent money every day. So let's jump into Tap Research and see what kind of surveys we have here. These are the surveys that are at the very top. So what you want to do here is there is a huge variety of surveys available, right? So what you want to do is find the surveys that are a good match between time and reward. So at the top here, you can load more if you want to see them all, but the best match surveys are going to be at the top. So our best match is a 230-cent survey that takes us 20 minutes. Now, do we want to do that, or a 5-minute survey that takes us that gives us 51 cents? So that's up to you guys. And you can also segment the surveys between length, reward, whatever you want to do. My recommendation personally is to do the best match though, because when you do that best match, you're going to get surveys that you're not going to get disqualified for based on your initial profile that you submit when you use the app. You're going to get surveys targeted directly to you, and that's just one of the awesome features about Tap Research. So here's an example of length, right? So we have surveys that are 4 minutes, 5 minutes, just the really quick, short surveys. If you have a couple of minutes, might as well make a little bit extra cash. The surveys are pretty fun to take. I've even had stuff sent to me, people who want their products in people's hands and get their feedback. These companies want your opinion and are just going to pay you to do it and give you free stuff to do it. So that's awesome with Tap Research, really cool ways to earn there. Now when you're not using Tap Research, there's a lot of other ways to earn as well. So here are rewards, right? 230 cents, 210 cents, 167 cents. One thing you have to watch out here is people review the surveys when they're done. So right, the 210-cent one has 16,000 5-star reviews, but you're going to want to stay away from these 3-star review surveys, even though they're pretty high paying. So let's jump into Peanut Labs, right? Peanut Labs is my second favorite personally. The reason I like it so much is because they only give you up to 6 surveys a day, but they're extremely targeted to you so that you can qualify for them. Now, same thing here, you want to look at time versus reward. So here it looks easy to me. 10 minutes for a 51-cent reward. That's the lowest time and the highest reward, so might as well go with that survey. And I'm going to show you guys just kind of an example of how easy it really is to qualify. So question 1 of 1 before today, which you heard of. Well, me personally, I have heard of Little Caesars, heard of California Pizza Kitchen, and I've heard of Pizza Hut. And let's see what happens. Good. Match so far. That's how easy it is to qualify. You take that survey, you're going to make 51 cents, and it's going to take you about 10 minutes. So whenever you have a little extra time, just make a little bit of extra cash. Now let's jump into Say So. Say So is a little bit different because every single survey you take, a full meal gets donated to starving children. Now any survey you take, 20 cents for every dollar you make is going to go to starving children. But in Say So, you don't know the reward, so it's a higher amount that's going to starving children, but it's kind of a gamble for what you're going to earn yourself. So what I would recommend here, right, so he offers you send out a meal as well. But here I'd look at the gaming 6-minute survey, if you see that down there. I would take the shortest survey, see if you like it or not, see if you like the reward you're getting. Either way, a meal is donated to a starving children, so you're doing some good. It's definitely something you should look into doing. If you look at Tap Research, Peanut Labs, those also donate to starving children as well. So there's a ton of ways to earn money in this app. As you guys can see, we're spending close to 7 minutes just going over the best ways to earn. You can even check out my balance. Got $84.41 in there. So go ahead and give this app a try. Just search it in Google Play Store, search it in your App Store, find it, download it, try it out, see what kind of surveys you're getting, and let us know what you think in the comments below and the reviews in the App Store.